Hey family, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making something special for my husband goat meat, cooked my way. If you want a recipe that feels like a treat, you're in the right place. Look what I brought from the shop, goat meat. I like to divide mine into three portions, two for the freezer and one for today's meal. That way I can prepare goats different ways anytime I want. I started by seasoning the goat meat with salt, bouillon, garlic, ginger, and Maggi. Then I pre-boiled it so I could save that rich stock for later. Trust me, this step makes all the difference. Now let's talk about flavor. For this recipe, I'm using parsley, basil, cilantro, spring onions, celery, onions, garlic, ginger, white pepper, and a pinch of clove and rondelle, three-eyed garlic. For the base, I'll also add green bell pepper. I slice everything first. You'll be yelling shish. So hit that like, don't forget to sub. We're bringing joy from the kitchen hub. Oh, cooking with Esther. Come for the food. Stay for the vibe and the happy mood. Hey, hey, it's Esther in the pot. Stir it up, baby, make it hot, hot, hot. From okra to stew, you know what to do. Pull up a chair, I'm cooking for you. Then blend the green spices with bell pepper. Don't make it too pasty. You want that chopped texture. Ginger and garlic get blended separately. One onion I slice, another I blend, and I keep some diced greens aside for later. Here we go. Blended greens, ginger and garlic, onions, vegetable oil, salt, bouillon cubes, and of course, that goat meat stock. Everything ready? You can eat this with rice, plantain, or yam, but today I'm serving it with boiled potatoes. While we cook the goat, the potatoes are boiling on the side. Perfect time management. Now we fry the goat meat until golden, crispy on the outside, juicy inside. Don't forget to sub. We're bringing joy from the kitchen hub. Cooking with Esther. Come for the food. Stay for the vibe and the happy mood. Then keep it aside. We'll bring it back later. Place your pot on the fire and let it heat. Add oil, then onions. Season lightly with salt and bouillon. Don't cook the onions too long, just until they caramelize a little. Now add the blended green spices and stir, seasoning again with bouillon. At this stage, don't overcook them. We want the flavor fresh and bright. Bring back the fried goat meat. Stir it all together. Add in the ginger and garlic blend. Mix well. Now add your dry spices, white pepper, clove, rondelle. Let everything simmer and soak up that flavor. Next, pour in your goat meat stock. Let it cook down until the meat is fully coated and tender. Hot, hot. From okra to stew, you know what to do. Finally, toss in the reserved diced green spices. Oil popping, crayfish rocking, cook the fish jumping, no time for talking, slice that okra, spicy bold, watch this magic. Right at the end for that burst of freshness. And here it is, juicy, flavorful goat meat paired with boiled potatoes. My husband is going to love this, and I promise if you try it, you'll love it too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes straight from my kitchen to yours. Until next time, stay blessed and keep cooking with love.
Bold, watch this magic pot unfold. Cooking with zesty flavor on blast. Healthy and yummy, forget the fast. Laughing and dancing with every dish. One taste and you'll be yelling shish. So hit that like, don't forget to sub. We're bringing joy from the kitchen hub. And you'll be yelling shish. So hit that like, don't forget to sub. We're bringing joy from the kitchen hub. Oh.